Lots of rust work has been done, windscreen's back in. I was about to put the wheel on, I said, hey, we've got to bleed the brakes. There's new shocks on the rear. I tried the front, I tried. Like, the bolts just wouldn't give. And I also realized the shocks on the Sprinter are not only shocks, they also strut. And they're like heavy and they're really strong, and they've got 4 bolts going on here. So a lot of this mechanism is actually relying on the strength in the shock absorber. The metal, like the actual design of it. A whole new car for me, whole new bus.
Tinkering, breaking, fixing, gluing, learning.
Getting angry at cars. And yourself. What if it's not stuck?
Okay. I like your tool.
Got it. Shit. Good job.
We'll have to bring the pole with us.
Do we have to, right?
Bring the pole with us if we have to change a
I'm
tyre.
gonna leave a bar. Break a bar. Oh, hey, I'm getting filmed. Hey, everybody. What episode are we on? 4.
I think so.
Well, we're out in the sun. I'm just giving the back wheels some love, you know. I even, I took the bolt out. I'm gonna clean up the rim, give it some nice black paint. We got a blue slip, like a registration check thing coming up. I put a little lick of grease and put it back, so I don't have to ever do that again. Ah, she's stuck. So, time to get a little rusty. You gotta give it a jolt. I think this has been taken off in a while. Yeah, I got one. Yeah. My butter, baby, yeah. This one. Not like... You want to hang on to this? Let's see. Come on, lift it up, man. Lift it up, man. Go.
Heavy. How heavy
Get up there, yes, that's it. Okay, out the way. Big muscles are coming through. Here we go. Get it. You can get it, ladies.
They're pushing it down.
Are they getting it? They're getting it. No.
Let's want to quit.
Okay, you're going to give it a jolt. Like that.